calculation also. The mathematics between West Ham United, Nuno Espirito Santo, and Tottenham Hotspur, Roberto Di Zerbi. Now, Papa, we picture that now. Tottenham Hotspur games are amabo 36. I got 2 games. You want 38 games. West Ham about 36. I got 2 games. 20 days, and so between Tottenham Hotspur and West Ham, Papa, 2 points. 2 points. They separate you more. I'm also Libya Sukoye and Solomon. West Ham 36. Spurs 38. Now, Papa, West Ham minus 20 goals.
Okay.
Tottenham minus 9 goals. They go over here. Oh yeah. Nyami Aduma na what you Tottenham Hotspur bottle the and Chelsea. Tottenham Hotspur a North London team. In the derby.
Chelsea
away. Before say on the Chelsea game no. Obetrasi Ashe West Ham United and the 20 and so the Newcastle United.
West Ham team.
Into a possibility, West Ham will 81% so baby.
Yeah.
And I told you Jerry Tottenham 19%.
Yeah, so baby. The 2 clubs and there.
I say Ghana like because saying you 2 teams on my way. Oh, I'm to Bentley.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa Kuna account. What Ghana like so? Oh, wait. Any 11 wonders. Yeah, Papa Kobutu.
Sure.
Until the ideology and mathematics in this game, no, Papa. Obo we pay. Tottenham Hotspur.
West Ham against Newcastle United. Therefore, away. The Leeds United is one of the stubborn clubs.
Yeah.
Hey or no?
Yeah.
But Chelsea, Tottenham against Chelsea, 50-50.
Yeah. Papa, Tottenham barrier, which are you with you?
And also Nelson.
Because say Chelsea now Olusu Everton. Not only the answer Western United and so winning too much Samunya. Even a 4 points in po no no Lusu Bakwa. It's 2 points for them.
Yeah.
Now head to it. Tamba Tottenham pa Onya 4 points, possible 4 points out of this games. About you waiting you with you.
Okay.
In front of
so one Chelsea yeah.
So one Chelsea. Papa Newcastle so no. On say I want to play European football.
Sure, enough.
Chelsea super and European slot. 80 what is that kana? How about so very at the last game say one marry.
Okay.
What about the point this weekend? West Ham drop here is over for West Ham.
Okay.
Tottenham drop here is likely to Tottenham. Percentage na no and no special.
Okay.
Baba, when the mathematics are a woman game no. Chelsea Everton 18. Newcastle United which you maintain.
Okay.
Dan Chelsea Everton. They will be here to me see. Papa Obakaya. Na Everton we Chelsea against Everton as blue quarter. E ball pass go actually. E me Everton ko share. E ma ka league nim. And from James Lampard. Enti Baba, abrofo so dey omutimi attend anytime here. But to the Western United. Over income Tottenham Hotspur at the man in na buy now. West 17 massa.
Okay.
It depend. You man also across the day. Tottenham Hotspur likely say be can league. Relegation
na ya West Ham too.
Relegation Papa. I said last year. Tottenham Hotspur we see no day now okoji Europa League no. And na qualify no man be ball. Champions League no.
Yeah.
But hey, Papa, omu decrease, omu come much be 4 coaches in a single season a day. You go to the one young coach Juventus, almost a mope. I'm a fat. There's a coach I want to be a kiki.
Enough for me.
About that, and all cast him say, Tottenham Hotspur, as one coach.
Yeah, Tottenham usually there.
That's what didn't mean from scum from 3. And I thought Tottenham Hotspur.
Tottenham there. Say Opta. Say even Opta correctly see West Ham chances higher. So be survive it. And they are saying Tottenham.
because of the matches are bobo.
Matches on the one.
Enti aba. Yeah. Enti no. Na aba. You remember our Chelsea?
Okay.
Paul said Chelsea. I'm on paying for the likes of Toy Bolly. Like Bolly name paying for Akeka. Our Chelsea camp on aba. Dear idea mu dream over the chairman bet and Bolly mo and Jose Falasino mo and Clark Capital mo ne omo head mu say Chelsea be ko ye no. We need delegation of Chelsea to your promised land. Toy Bolly, Egbali, any finance you go. Omo na so no. Now, Papa, Chelsea is likely to appoint a coach before this World Cup. And now say early June, Chelsea appoint a coach. Okay. Now, Papa, coach is a baby. Marco Silva Fua. They say the Chelsea say I'm appointing coach on the Chelsea system no. Ebe run it into almost so maybe a Chelsea person more the team ne kono. And then a Chelsea person more here. Now Papa, Marco Silva and the Fulham, are they playing the system of play for the Chelsea? The ideology Chelsea in playing for the Masomo Bana. It's a problem at the Chelsea team no. Now Papa how be Felipe Luis of Flamengo. Papa, Flamengo, opponent D Eddie Felipe Luis, a former player at the Chelsea, former player for Atletico Madrid. Now, the philosophy of Felipe Luis, it doesn't suit Chelsea. Per system, Papa, Luis Ebonoti. Over the various tablets and news and now UK now. As one cancel Felipe Luis and Netflix system. It's going to be and so Eddie. Tottenham Hotspur, the new Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. I'm about answer the tier Leeds United. I'm about to say game way. In game rebia, can you game kura? Maybe so under Marcelo Bielsa. Not a game for Tottenham Hotspur. And the about Romua. And now game the bar we know. Now I 1-1. I brought a friend on my tie style. Eshe goal on the 50th minute. Then Dominic Calvert-Lewin a penalty and also deliver answer the 2 at the man Leeds United. Papa, na controversy be e will give me room na Yakob. Papa na we game kakra. Tottenham Hotspur echo game him wait. 4-2-3-1 formation. Pedro Porro, Calvin Danso, Mickey Van de Ven. I write a friend who dog about player. Then
maybe player.
Then I'm going to call with a midfield of 2. Jao Palhinha, Rodrigo Bentaco. Now the one supporting the striker Richarlison, Randall Colomwani, Conor Gallagher, Matthias Tell, and Richarlison and Randy. Oh boy, these players are the setup of 20 and the Tottenham Hotspur. Now, Papa, Disabi, when we say Disabi, anytime you want to say Disabi about 4-2-3-1 formation, Diano, attack, and they will Disabi team. And anyone, anytime you want to say Pedro Porro, right back. Nemon Pedro Porro, attack Biana, Porro, and so ever the midfield of 20 and so at the Tottenham Hotspur. Then we're creating overloads in the midfield with the likes of Rodrigo Bentancur and I'm trying to get it Jao Palhinha to support the midfield. Serbia, Obenya Randall Colombo is supporting the attack system of the Tottenham Hotspur. I don't know. Open the answer the opportunity is there. Anytime you always say a lone striker enable. Nemo, you're possible on the pair. The system will change into an attacking formation due to the philosophy of opening the Roberto Di Serbi. Now, what check Colomwani, I will now about 2 top strikers. And Colomwani, Richarlison, and will need more. In general, over first 15 minutes now, who said the heat and the momentum of Timothy and Sade Tottenham Hotspur midfield no na e work anymore. Esan say the idea, the system of Roberto De Zerbi no players need to be implemented e park and so no and a boy so for the Tottenham proud to their first 15 minutes getting to the 20 minutes no. Now papa tell the after the Leeds United Daniel Farke coach at the match for the new Leeds United. Papa with this setup 3-4-2-1 is a defensive setup. 3-4-2-1 beyond Wapa is a defensive setup and a air course. Or started with Dalu, Rondon, Bijo, Strujic, Jackson, Tanaka, Etanampadu, Arantefenu, James, Starch, Aronson, and a Dominic Calvert-Lewin. No, starting with this setup. That of Fake. Now, Papa, you say Justin, elbow, the left wing back row. Then, when I saw more attack here, I'm also converted by the midfield. Then, we're packing midfield, and midfield now is solid. It's so we say, deserve any time, Biano. The midfield no, a midfield of 4. So, we are also to continue that midfield no, as also about a midfield of 4. So, we shall continue Tottenham Hotspur midfield no. And no, and a papa, oh yeah. Then, Daniel James. And so, no, elbow, the right wing back. At the same time, acting as a right wing forward for the D and Leeds United. Until a double position for 2 players. Then, we maintain that ball retention solution from right FM Etanampadu. Oh, a centre back, Nemum, and another Fake. What 10 no? I'm a defensive midfielder. Hey, right FM Etanampadu, former player at the Matters. Then, Tanaka is an offensive midfielder. Nemum, anytime we are this setup of Arsenal, opposite Tanaka, I'm a Tanaka question. Aronson and a stash in term. So, I have created 2 attackers behind the main striker. I have right from Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Now, we're pushing boys no anymore. And no, and then the system the D and Leeds United led by Daniel Farke and Seboy. Papa, over these roles are now a waiting match. I said, Tottenham Hotspur play ratings about such as say Tottenham, their midfield, Nankasano, HSA, play rating about no. At a Tottenham midfield no, and no defense no. I'm working a year, Juma. About rating about now. Goalkeeper Kinski. What's that? Your rating 8.3. 8.3 says the goalkeeper was the savior for Tottenham Hotspur team.
This Uncle West Ham Keleno.
And Leeds 90 plus 5 Koreano. How about statistics are about giving me 57 ball possession for Tottenham Hotspur. Then 43% ball possession for Timothy and so at the Leeds United. How about Obia expected goal ratio? Na Yako said, it's said, as you know, Tottenham Hotspur in here, that was 1.27 in that game. Leeds United in 1.34. Into the expected goal ratio no, was similar. Tottenham Hotspur about 16 shots. Emutrepe was on target. Leeds United about 11 shots. Emu4 was on target. Leeds United had 2 big chances in that game. Tottenham Hotspur also had 2 big chances. And the said statistics actually said Tottenham Hotspur Leeds was a 50-50 battle in the midfield. As I said, Obia making sure said Obe parody a method of 4 to contain each other midfield. So yeah, defenders nation any mistake baby. Team and no Daniel Farke and Roberto De Zerbi no team one and also a boy Emma and so cool kama and so